Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to add family sharing to your Steam account. So first of all, log into the account you want to enable it. Then go to the Steam tab and open up settings. Here you want to go under family and click on authorize library sharing on this computer. So here there will be all the eligible accounts. Enable the one you want to add your sharing to. I'll be adding it to this one. Then click OK. Now you want to log into the account you just enabled it to. Now once you have logged into the other account, you can see there are all the games that I owned on the other account. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and to leave a like.